this message finds you all well in good spirits. Well, look where we're at. Where are we? We are at Pocono International Raceway. This is not the drag strip. Look what we got here. The Mamba. She's here. Of course, Tyler's here. Gary's here. But we're getting the Mamba ready. Some crazy competition. We're not set up like we are usually at the drag strip. What we have ready here is we actually borrowed Joe's performance pack. These are Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. These are good for doing roll racing, and that's what Ford tests the car with, so that's what we're doing it today. We are going to do weight reduction. We are on E85. Gonna take out the seats, take out the main thing with racing is to take out anything loose, so that's what we're taking out. But there's some cool cars here. There's a different universe that we're part of, we're at. So like, again, I'm super excited to do this. I've never seen how fast the Mamba can be, so we're gonna go as fast as we can, push us to its limits, and this whole thing, it looks like it's a whole different world. Anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna have fun. Have this GoPro. We're gonna have it on the dash. We might even race a new 2020 Supra. So stay tuned. So excited. Let's go.
All right. Everyone's getting ready for the parade lap. It was a Black Mamba. Black Mamba. Parade lap.
We're doing our first. We're gonna first do a parade lap, they call it. So. This is the first time we're gonna do a parade lap, so just get a feel for the track. It is super exciting. Big ups to Iconic GT500. He's got a GT500. He actually is one of the managers here at International Pocono Raceway, so we're gonna come back and have some fun with our GT500s together. But that's neither here nor there. I'm super excited. This is the first time the Mamba has actually been on a real racetrack. And like I said, just to talk about a little bit, we're kind of back in our performance pack setup that we had from the factory, because we had the performance pack tires on, because the car is set up. You know, I really like what and how the car is versatile. You know, we're drag strip racing. Now we're here and we're having fun because we're at the racetrack. And just to give you some stuff, we're going to be roll racing. So basically it's very simple. Paddle shifting. We're going to do a third gear 50 roll and just let the transmission take over. We're going to be in sport, third gear 50 roll, red line it, hit it back to drive. The car will take care of itself. Like to see how fast the car gets. Actually, what's cool is my horsepower class is 400 to 500 wheel horsepower. It's very limited because there's some crazy cars here, but it's my first time. What he said in the first hit we're going to do is, first hit, we're gonna practice, get comfortable. Then we'll keep going around, and I think there's also what's cool here. There is a, I'm about to say Shelby GT500. There's a 2020 Supra, so I'd like to run that. But anyways, let's take our first parade lap and see how it goes. Take a look at this. This is so freaking cool, guys. All these really cool cars are here. Man, look at this. This is crazy. I love it. Let me show you guys outside, so you guys can see here. Look at that. This is crazy cool, dude. So we're gonna try a few different things. We're gonna try top speed, racetrack, have some fun, man. We'll see what happens. I can smell the 85. This is like a video game in real life. And you know what's great? Because we're on the, by the way, we tightened the suspension, Steeder suspension up to firm all around. Like I said, we're on track mode and the car feels good. So let's have some fun.
First time around the track.
Taking a pass. First time, this is our first pass, so of course there's like a 700 crazy horsepower Hellcat next to us, but whatever. Woo! When he says go, we're gonna go. Oh, shoot. That was crazy. Okay, just for some post game, I had no idea what I was doing, but it felt fun. I saw my speedometer. I have no idea what we got up to. I think it was like 140. But I don't know if I hit the car at the right speed. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go head over and kind of watch a few guys and see what they do, and we're gonna go again.
Paddles, and you get the gears out long enough. Because the problem is you're 5 to 6. You're just lugging. You're getting down to like 4,000 RPM, which obviously in your car is not peak power.
Yeah.
So if you're using the paddles and you're bringing every gear out, you probably could be seeing 140 mile an hour.
Yeah, no, I felt the car die a little bit. So
I think that's where you know, obviously your car is built for a quarter mile, but I think it's
well, we're on a drag strip tune too.
Now also, you were just racing 700 horsepower cars, so it's gonna look. There's a big difference there. It's gonna look really big.
First time ever at a racetrack, but we're learning it because guess what? We have GT500 coming, so StangMode's in the track mode right now. We're usually drag mode. I talk in third person, so just whatever. But it's different. It's a different kind of setup. So I'm actually data logging too, so we can send these to Rob and see what happens. But it's an adrenaline rush.
Yo, you can.
All right, he's pulling up after getting obliterated every single race. You did great. You did great.
How'd it look? How'd it look?
It looked excellent, man.
Did it? It's an adrenaline rush, bro.
Yeah.
Guess what? You're coming with me. I can put a seat in.
Oh shoot.
So we're gonna do is
I'm gonna record you. Basically.
Yeah. Well, you're gonna be with it too because what we're gonna do is I'm gonna let the car cool off for about a half hour, 45 minutes. We'll put a seat in and you can run with me.
Ooh.
Dude, it's an adrenaline.
Oh.
It's an adrenaline. Yo, big ups. Thanks to my dude, Tragic Hero. Instagram link in the description. He's helped me out today. It's my dude from when I was in kindergarten. So big ups. Appreciate the support. All right, so that's going to wrap up this actual portion of all the coverage of the amazing event at Slipstream at the Pocono Raceway with the Black Mamba. Met so many of wonderful people there. I literally have a video like every day this week because it's just so much that I had to do. But I want to get this out to you. I want to say big ups again to Tyler and Tragic Hero, my friend Mario, Tyler, of course, Muscle Every Day. So much appreciation for them coming out and helping me record and having a good time and meeting so many people. Big shout out to Steve, Canon G7X Slipstream event coordinator, really nice guy, new to the channel, and really was accommodating me and let me run. The reason I got against so many high horsepower cars because he let me run as many brackets as I wanted to. So we're gonna come back September 11th. Anyways, thank you so much. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned. We're gonna have more coverage, more videos all week to come. I hope you enjoyed how a 10-second Mustang and a quarter does roll racing. All right, y'all. Hope you know it never ends. Oh, and yes, stay tuned. A lot of coverage. Bye.